Ever feel like no matter how hard you try, saving money seems impossible? What if you could change that today? In just 3 minutes, I'll give you 5 powerful strategies to start saving money instantly. No complicated budgeting, no cutting out the things you love. Welcome to U&M Wealth Hub, your go-to channel for mastering personal finance. Saving money doesn't have to be stressful, and I'll show you exactly how to make it easy and effective. Stick around for tip number 5. It's a simple trick that could save you thousands without lifting a finger. Tip 1. Audit your spending. Do this right after the video. Log into your bank or credit card app. Look at the last 30 days of transactions and categorize them: essentials, non-essentials, and waste. Use apps like Mint or a free Google Sheet template to make tracking easy. A viewer discovered they were spending $150 a month on small purchases they didn't even remember making. Tip 2. Cancel and negotiate subscriptions. Today. Go to your subscriptions list right now: Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships. Ask yourself, do I really use this? Apps like Rocket Money and Truebill make it simple to cancel unused subscriptions in seconds. If you still want a service, call to negotiate a lower rate or switch to a family plan. It works more often than you think. Cutting just 2 subscriptions can free up $30 to $50 every month. That's $600+ annually. Tip 3. Automate your savings. Start right now. Log into your bank. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to a high-yield savings account. Start small, just $20 or $50 per paycheck. Look for accounts like Marcus, Ally, or Chime for higher interest rates. Automating savings ensures you'll always pay yourself first. Even $50 per paycheck adds up to $1,200 in a year, without even thinking about it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.